begin the registration process, you go ahead and click on the either Get Started button or the Begin My Journey button. Once you click on either one of the buttons, it'll take you to the email registration. Go ahead and input the email that you'll be using to register for the course. You'll then receive a code in your inbox. You can go ahead and utilize the code that's been provided, the 6-digit code. Go ahead and click on it. You can copy and paste it or include it by memory. It's completely up to you. It's 6 digits. Input the code that you received in your inbox and click Continue. Now this will take you to the home page where you'll be able to register and continue the registration process. You would answer the following questions. What is your IT experience and how would you like to learn? After you select the two, go ahead and click Next. There's 2 more on the following page. Can you dedicate 15 hours a week learning with us, and do you have a high school diploma? Click Next. The next page will be a short form. Just fill out your name and your phone number. Email is already preset because you already registered with it. And click Submit. Now this registration is complete. Once the registration portion is complete, it'll take you to your dashboard in the Colaberry app. And here you can click on Enroll in a course that you would like to enroll in, or click on Courses on your left side of the dashboard. Go ahead and click on Enroll in Courses. And here you will see all of the courses that will be available that are coming up. In this case, we'll be submitting our application for the April 24th course. On the far right, in the blue button, you just click on Enroll and begin the enrollment process. As you can see, the first and last name and the email is already preset. This is what you already provided. And you just fill in the remaining information here. So let's begin. Select the date, the year. You can just scroll up, scroll down, it's up to you. Select the month and the date, pre-fills. The address, same way. State, and your zip code. Your highest level of degree, it's a drop down. Pick whichever one you have. And your degree that you upload. Say it's a diploma. Go and choose the file you want to upload. In case it's a diploma. You see your green check box. It confirms that it's been uploaded. Select the major. University. And provide the start and end dates. Once again, same as the birth date. You get to scroll up or scroll down, pick the year, the month, and the date. The next part is the course info. You don't have to fill this out because you already selected the course you want, and it's already pre-filled for you. The following process is the payment of method. Select how you would like to make that payment when you're after the approval process is complete. This is the cancellation policy and the refund policy. Please read that all the way, including this document, and it'll give you all the details that you would need. And fill in the last portion, which is the acknowledgements portions. Over 18, the enrollment agreement, and that you certify your initials, your electronic signature, and today's date. You just click on today. After you've completed this, you can go back through and check to confirm. Go ahead and everything's, all the checkboxes are marked green. Go ahead and click agree and continue. Now, you will receive a message, and here is the next portion of the application. On this portion, for the enrollment, you would fill in pretty much, go through the reading all the questions. You would check pretty much the entire page, just checking off. There is no information that you really need to pre-fill, except the last portion, which is your electronic signature. And you can check everything off. The only portion that you don't need to fill out is this portion, which is written and verbal explanation of the difference between a loan and a grant. But every other portion would need to be submitted or checked off. As you're reading through it, you agree, just go ahead and check it off. This portion will not, you don't need to fill anything out here because it's already set up, and you can see there is the icon here. Every time you try to hover, it won't let you pre-fill it because you don't need to. Complete the final portions. Once again, your electronic signature, date, you can click on today. And once you went through it again, you're satisfied, you can click on submit. And this is the final page. Now, you have filled out all the information, everything's been submitted, and you see that you have a message here. It says pending for approval. There is no further action required by you. Your application will be reviewed by the enrollment individual, and once that approval is reviewed and approved, you will get a notification by email letting you know the following steps. And after that, you are complete. Thank you.